everybody, this is Christy from Kitty_plans on Instagram. So I do memory planning in my A5 wide planner and city stickers inserts. And for this week, I am using this Deco kit from the Pretty Pink Co. It is called Velvet Notes. And yeah, so this, as you can see, doesn't have any bottom washi. So I will be creating the bottom washi for this spread, and I'm like, oh my gosh, what a feat. I was so used to having like bottom washi that it's like just stick it down and you're done, but this time I had to think of the deco that would go on the bottom. So I really wanted to fill out like the bottom part with all the deco, of course, but I had a theme in mind where I have the indoor kind of deco on the first half of this spread, and then I'd have the outdoor in the second half of the spread. But before that, I did put down this beautiful like film strip, just to fill up the sidebar, because I'm like thinking, what do I put? And then this looks like a full box, so I put it like my full boxes, which I'll be doing with some other in this second half as well. So I did do like the put down the second big deco here, and because it drives me to create like outdoor scenery deco. So that's what I did here. And then I think I have to go to do the date headers after doing this bottom washi, because I'm figuring out what's the spacing with the header. So that's what I do, just to know how I would decorate from that middle part to the top, because I didn't really know where my headers were gonna end. So that's how I did it here. So I put down the dates here, the date headers, and then I put down full boxes. In air quotes, full boxes is like those deco that looks sort of like a full box, but you'll see it here eventually. And then I put down the foil, some that comes with the kit. Did I get any for this accompanying foil? I'm not sure, but I did use a lot of like the big leaves from blooming what's it Bloom Paper Studio. So yeah, that's it for my base, and I really hope you like this base spread. All right, so let us start off with Monday. So I'm trying to, use, in quotes again, boxes from the Deco kit because there are none. So I'm just trying to figure out, okay, let me try using this. So this is what I did. We did go to Cheesecake Factory after coming from DMV, because there's like a new cheesecake factory near our place. So that's why we were able to go there, because the several times we went there was just too much people. But this time, this was like a weekday and then dead hour, so we were able to get in with no wait. We didn't get cheesecake though. That's weird, right? Like that's what you get from their stores, but we didn't get any. I guess, yeah. Anyways, um, our neighbor gave us some apples because she said they had so much extra from their apple picking. So I'm like, yes, of course, give them over, because it's always something that my daughter enjoys. And yeah, that was and then I got some Happy Mail from Saucy Stickers Co. and Starlight Paper Studio. All right, so on Tuesday, I did get book mail. So I did get Secrets of Alchemy by what's her name? Stephanie Garber. So it's my Fairy Loot. Is it my Fairy Loot? Or what did I do for this one? Oh no, this is from my Barnes and Noble pre-order. Yeah, just there's so many things going on with books, right? It's so good. It's not a problem. It's just really fun. It was also a rainy day that day. And then we were also able to bake cookies, or my daughter was baking cookies. She usually does the baking. I just help her out with like setting up the oven. All right. So on Wednesday, we did go to Costco for a grocery run. And then this time I was reading Direbound. Oh my God, this book is so good. It's like a fantasy, romantasy, and there's so many twists in this book. It's like, what's this? Fourth Wing. It's like a Fourth Wing story with wolves, but it's just there's so many twists in this one. I really enjoyed this book, and I can't wait for the second one to come. So if you like Fourth Wing, I think you'll enjoy this one. And then what else happened? We did take out some food from Chick-fil-A. All right, so on Thursday I had a nap, and I guess I napped on my chair because I chose a chair for my sleeping icon. And then I was binge watching The Mentalist, of course. I think, was I watching? Yes, we were watching The Mentalist. We're just so into this series right now. And then I did edit and publish my daily journaling, my week 41, where I used to do the publishing of this weekly journal that I do. All right, so on Friday I did go me and my daughter went to Target because she was like going to do a boo basket for her friend. So yeah, that's, I guess, popular nowadays. I didn't even know that existed, but she explained it to me, and then I'm like, okay, I get it now. Boo basket. It's like this Halloween basket that you make. You collect all the things, so you put it in a basket. So pretty cool. And then we did eat out. Where did we eat? We ate at Pita Inn, and then I was able to edit my second week of June for my Plan With Me in September. Was it? Yes, or October. This is October, I think. No, September. Blah. Anyways, Saturday I did upload my Plan With Me that I did the filming of. And then it was a lazy day, of course. And then we had some takeout from, you guessed it, Taco Bell after coming from IKEA. From IKEA, I guess I got some bookshelves again because, I just wanted to, like, my books were piling up, so I just needed more shelves. All right, so on Sunday, I was able to sleep in, and after that, I was able to film again. Yes. Second week of June, and another Plan With Me, so that's good. All right, so what else happened? I was able to organize my books because, of course, I had my bookshelf, my new bookshelf. This is what's happening for this event. So yeah, so I love it. I love my bookshelves. I love my books. And it's just a fun time. I don't know. I'm so obsessed with books right now. Books, stickers, planners. Yes, That is my obsession. So yeah, this is it for my plan with me this week of October. Guess what? That is October. And I just stick on a big leaf from Bloom Paper Studio to, add more to the space. Yeah, so this is it. This is the wiggle, so, so pretty in rose gold foil. So, I had to also choose the foil because no foil is included in this deco kit. But yeah, very pretty. This is the full spread. This is velvet notes. And I just love using the deco kit. Yeah, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.